Welcome to the Monterey County Workforce Development Board's Job Seeker Services Overview. Employers are interested in finding the right person with the right attitude and skills. We are a proud partner of America's Job Center of California, and our staff can help with your job search, career planning, assessments, training, and reentry into the workforce. We have workshops, training programs, resume tools, and more, all at no cost to help you with your job search effort. You can call us at 866-666-9332 or visit any of our Monterey County locations for access and assistance to many great programs and services. We are here to help you become job ready and develop the skills you need. You can also visit our website at www.montereycountywd.org/job-seekers/ for various online and virtual services. For more details on our job seeker specific services, keep watching. You can search available jobs. Job seekers can easily create a free account, upload their resume, and view available job postings on the Monterey County Workforce Development Board's online job board. You can even post a video to introduce yourself to potential employers. We hold career resource fairs and hiring events. The Monterey County Workforce Development Board regularly hosts events that provide an opportunity for job seekers and youth to connect with businesses. To see all of the upcoming job fairs and hiring events, visit our calendar of events page at www.montereycountywd.org/calendar/. We provide adult and dislocated worker services. The Adult and Dislocated or Displaced Worker Program's emphasis is on serving a wide range of individuals. The program provides adult individuals with workforce preparation, career services, training services, and job placement assistance needed to increase occupational skill attainment, obtain industry-recognized credentials, and secure a good job that provides earnings that lead to self-sufficiency. The program serves individuals and helps employers meet their workforce needs. Along with our other job seeker services listed in this overview, our adult and dislocated worker services also include assessment of skills and abilities, career guidance, counseling and planning, the development of employment plans and strategies, labor market research and information, skills upgrade, classroom training and on-the-job training, tutoring and study skills assistance, information and referral services to partner organizations and community resources, and much more, all at no cost to job seekers. Build your resume. A job seeker's most valuable job search instrument is their resume. The Monterey County Workforce Development Board provides job seekers an online tool designed to save time in creating, editing, and customizing your resume. Get started today by creating a free account and get noticed by potential employers. Learn about today's labor market. For job seekers, labor market information, or LMI, is used to make informed career and employment decisions. LMI can help you prepare for the job market and make strong career choices that will ensure your future success. We offer information such as occupational profiles and reports, monthly occupational snapshots, economic overviews, wage reports, and information on priority sectors and high-growth industries. Our partners. The Monterey County Workforce Development Board's services are enhanced through co-location of partners as well as participating partner agencies who also provide regular or occasional applicable career services at their affiliate office locations. Our partners facilitate services for the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, also known as WIOA, and its many programs, TANF, CalWorks Employment Services, Community Services Block Grants, Housing and Urban Development, Job Corps, and services for migrant and seasonal farm workers. Our partners improve the lives of over 5,000 individuals throughout Monterey County per year through the America's Job Center of California delivery system and affiliate locations. To participate in our services, please note our minimum requirements for job seekers. An individual must have the authorization to work in the United States to be eligible to receive Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act employment services. And gentlemen born on or before January 1st, 1960, residing in the United States, either citizen or non-citizen, must register with Selective Service between their 18th and 26th birthday to be eligible. At the Monterey County Workforce Development Board, we are here to help you become job ready and develop the skills you need. Thank you for watching our Job Seeker Services overview. Remember, if you need more information about services available to job seekers in Monterey County, visit our website at www.montereycountywdb.org and click on the For Job Seekers menu option. You can also stop by any of our locations or call our offices at 866-666-9332.